Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Start by parking the 2016 Lexus ES 350 on level ground and engage the parking brake. Work with the engine cold. Gather tools, 10mm socket, ratchet, flat screwdriver, shop rag, and a replacement air filter. Expect to spend about 5 to 10 minutes preparing and 20 to 30 minutes total. Open the hood by pulling the internal lever and release the safety catch. Clear any loose debris around the airbox to prevent contamination when you open it. Locate the rectangular airbox on the passenger side of the engine bay and identify 4 clips or 10mm bolts securing the lid. Use the flat screwdriver or 10mm socket to loosen or unclip fasteners, then lift the airbox top straight up without dragging it across surrounding components. Pull the old filter out by the edges and inspect it. Heavy dirt, oil stains, or a clogged pleat means replacement was overdue. Use a shop rag to clean loose debris out of the lower housing before installing the new element. Fit the new OEM-style air filter into the lower housing, ensuring the rubber gasket sits flat and pleats face the airflow direction marked on the filter. Lower the airbox lid straight down, aligning tabs, then fasten the 4 clips or reinstall the 10mm bolts snugly. Do not over-tighten. Wipe away any fingerprints or debris from the intake area. Close the hood, start the engine, and listen for unusual intake noises or rattles. The whole replacement should take about 20 to 30 minutes and restore throttle response.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.